shibenta pan pensa priang ya ka khubor jing pen shai halor ka jing shir kai drugs but ru pan kenti ka jing em ka ba khoi pakhia ha ka em lang ka salang corpus jong district social welfare officer east jandal district haring ka jing et lang bat ka tanan opioid substitution therapy OST center clearian kala pelong da ka jing la kai football tournament ka ba shite yo kan thi ka football based intervention program ka badan ka phang padeng ka thong halor ka jing kerni Goal Beyond Addiction, yak program la pelong Narwan Upper Primary School East Jandal District, but a play ka tournament do Deputy Commissioner ka East Jandal District, u Shivansh Awasti, IS, haba kran kom kongsan Deputy Commissioner ka East Jandal District, u Shivansh Awasti, IS, ulong baki board district la jupulong bon ki program ay jingpen shai shapang u drunk ki winter camp ha ki babon tili school hapo ka district ha ka ba ki khenna school ki le shimenta ha ki program ba phe but ka phang padeng ha ka ni ka winter camp ka day ong am yo drunk but ula ai ka jingero ya ka tanat pulen ha ka ba mention snam kala yo ban kurup shibon ba u drunk u ba pershang ban khai bian but ya lingba na ka surang national highway east jandal district but ula kren ru halor shibon ki wikiway ki benta by a day but ki program ay jingpen shai halor udrong USDO Sardar East Jandal District u Manish Kumar IS ulaong baham manla ki benta by a day but ka jingop ki brio haudrong ka dayru ka benta ka bawanra e ka jingdo mensim ka jingdo jinkerman ka jingjot ki longyeng longsam kumta ulaong ba ka day ka kamram but ka jingit clear jong paro ki dekhon jong ka imlang ka salang bandan ka jingit lang banyakon persha yu drunk hakani ka program u Deputy Commissioner East Jandal District sub divisional officer SDO Sardar East Jandal District kila sam de kitiar padan kam ha ka sports ki jersey ki duty but ki we shektu ki brio ki bla lat na ka jingker ni how drunk ki bla don lang hakani ka program Kiblai Jingkran ki kan top ru ka district social welfare officer East Jandal District ka kong R Barre but a medical officer in charge opioid substitution therapy OST East Jandal Hills District u Dr. J Nongtru Kiblai don lang hakani ka program hashnong Narwan ki kan top ru u block development officer Saipung CNRD block u Dr. R Perto ki nong yalam shnong ki khana school but ki nong shong shnong ki ba nakathan
Sir SDO sir
make choice. So until unless you have this choice and you have heard the speakers who have come here, who have gone into that path, who have taken that journey and then it has taken them a long time to come back and live a normal life again. So that is my appeal and my request to all of you that who all ever are present today, not just you but your nearby family, your brothers, sisters, you have to motivate them and see that they don't go into this path. Then the main stakeholders of the today's program, the participants, the recovery addicts, we wanted to do something for the people who are already involved in drugs. One major step that we wanted to do was to set up a de-addiction center in East Jandal Hills. We are already, the process is ongoing. The person from Makuswa is also there. We are in touch with them. We are looking for a proper building so that we can set up a proper de-addiction center in East Jandal Hills. But in the meanwhile, we thought that we should do some programs so that we can engage the people who are involved in drugs, so that we can give them some alternative life. And sports, there is no better thing to do it other than sports. As we all know that sports does not just keep us physically fit, but for our mental well-being also sports is very important. So that is my appeal to all of you students, not just the people who are involved in drugs, but you should always have a hobby. And that hobby right now in the age of social media, many times we waste time sitting at home using phones.